Okay, this is a video to show you how to start your office hours once you have set up the recurring times. So from Google, we're going to go to Zoom again. All right, do our Google search. It's going to pop up with our first result. Click on that. And we're going to sign in because we've already set up our profile. All right, and then click here, sign in. All right, so this is my basic profile page, and it just kind of tells me my name and account number. So when it is time for your office hours, so let's say you have office hours beginning at 1 o'clock, it's 12:51 right now, and I want to start my meeting. I'm going to go over here to this navigation bar, and I'm going to click on meetings, and it's going to pull up the list of all of the meetings that I have already set up. So today, I actually have office hours set up for 2 o'clock. If I want to start them early, I would just go over here. So this is today, 2 o'clock. It's called my PM office hours. That's the meeting ID. And I would click right here and click start. And then I'm going to open up right here, openzoom.us. That's a separate dialog box. And then that's going to open up my meeting. So that means anybody who has that link that I posted already, once this meeting is started, I am hosting it, they can join into it. So let's see if it's going to work. Yep. Okay, so there's my meeting. I'm going to choose to join with computer audio right there. And here's my meeting. If I need to mute it, I can do that right there. If I want to turn off my video, I can do that right here. And then it shows me how many participants are there. So when someone joins, this would change. If you want to do the chat, and all of the other options are down here. When I want to end the meeting, so let's say my office hours go from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. When I want to end it, I would just go right here to end meeting, and that would end the meeting. If I click end meeting for all, that means everybody who's in the meeting is automatically kicked out. So I'd click that right there, close out this box, and we're done. So that's how you start the hosting part of your office hours after you have already set it up as a recurring meeting. All right, I hope that helps. Thank you.